Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, hello, howdy, welcome on in. Let me know where you are watching from. So I have a treat for all my supernatural fans today. We are doing some Radio Company. Shout out to my girl Dawn for this request. The name of this song is titled Cannonball. So this is kind of like a celebration for Jensen's new show on Prime titled Countdown. So if you're going to be watching that show, let me know. I do have the complete season 1 of Supernatural available on Patreon. The link is in the description down below. But let's go ahead and jump into this video. Cannonball, let's go. Sound a little eerie. Western. Feel the breeze and the tumbleweed roll by.
It'll go, let it spin to the end, right around the road. I line every time, tearing through the wall. Saw it boom to the room, come burning like a cannonball. So long, way down low where the light is gone. Now I see life of me turning unaware. Suddenly, fed up free, taken to the air like a cannonball. Rising fall, cannonball has got. Hear the pop, get to feeling high. Find at 33 where the wind begins to cry. Get uptown, get on down, ball for all to see. Don't forget, save a trip before you flip to be another cannonball. Rise and fall, cannonball has got.
Okay, so this was incredibly bluesy rock. It felt like a smooth glass of whiskey, like in a crystal glass. And it's like his vocals are like very rich and soulful, but not like overly polished. It's just like very raw. And his band, because I know we all love Jensen, but I think sometimes I forget to mention the band, and you can't do that because the arrangement, the sound, the quality of it, these guys are just like super professional. incredible. And I love how they kept the video very simple, just showing some pictures of them in the studio rocking out. But everything about this was incredible. And I guess I get caught off guard like all the time by Jensen because he's very handsome, he can act, and then he comes along with this incredible voice. And it's like, how can one person have so much talent? And I mean, I don't see how he has time to juggle all of these things, but obviously he does, and he's incredible at it. And I mean, I shouldn't be shocked, but this was really, really good. And then with the lyrics saying about, like, it's kind of like a love that comes out of nowhere and just like messes everything up. Like love when you at least expect it, and it feels like a cannonball because it's like, not that you don't want love or anything, but just rushing in and messing everything up. Sometimes that's the way love is. And just the way he sings this song, it's kind of sexy. Yeah, I mean, I can't not say it. It is very smooth. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Ta-ta!